Good morning, guys. It's about 6:30 in the morning. About to get ready to pack up. We're gonna head out to the airport. Good morning. Still getting ready? Can't start your morning without coffee. Ready to go?
Let's go.
Going. I was like, damn it, nice. How we doing?
Yes.
I don't know. Start passing the drinks.
I know. All we have is coffee to pass.
Yeah, no, same here. That's all we got.
I'm starving. It's not spiced.
Yeah, no, same here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive. All right, we just arrived here. Parking the car valet. And that's that. There goes my truck.
Thank you.
This guy's gonna take care of it. It's a nice gentleman. Thank you very much. And we are off.
I think it's so much for you.
Yes.
What up, dude?
What's up? Jose, say hi.
What's going on?
What do? We got Javi. Baby Javi. You gonna say what up?
Oh my god.
Got the upgrade for the first class.
First class.
Marco.
First class, sir.
And Erica.
I've never been in first class. Hey, let me
And we
know.
got Deanna. We got Deanna.
In Scottsdale, son.
We found Dan the man in the sunglasses.
We have a.
We're doing it for this one. What are we picking out today? Where's the Oakleys at? Here we go. That's what we want. How are we liking those?
We want to know like
180
all
bucks.
those
180 bucks just for the glasses.
Okay.
What's your name, man?
Mana.
Huh?
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What's your name? Chris.
Chris. Yeah, because we're holding camera.
Everybody.
Thank you. All right, let's see how this first class goes.
I would. It's all good. Very fun.
How are you doing, Miss First Class?
Hi, I'm great. Look. Welcome to first class.
Oh, very nice.
Here, great to have you with us today. Sit back and relax. Enjoy a 1 hour and 30-minute flight on over to Phoenix. Welcome aboard.
Pretty roomy, pretty roomy.
Look at me, I'm so fancy.
Hey, here we go.
Don't be jealous.
Yeah, look at you.
Hey.
What's going on?
Oh, you know.
Mimosa, orange juice.
Mimosa, please.
Mimosa, please. Oh, thank you very much.
Haley's coffee?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Chance, throw a little bit of that in it and see how you like it.
Perfect. Thank you. And we have arrived.
Let's go.
Uber driver Tammy, how we doing?
I'm closer to Oakland.
Good, good.
All right.
And we have arrived.
Hey, what's up?
How we doing? All right, Jan, how we doing?
Doing good, doing
Yeah, doing good, doing good. Welcome to the house. Nancy, how we doing? Nancy? She's loading beer. Getting them cold, getting them cold. Gotta check out the pool. Ooh. Got the pool and everything. About to jump in. Not for the roof.
The roof?
Or we could just relax and hang out. Looks like we got a second story up here. Check this killer view out. Gianna, how we doing? Are you already sunbathing?
I'm trying to order us pizza and everywhere
Pizza,
you can't
pizza.
deliver here.
You know you could jump from here too.
No, don't even do that.
I dare you.
All right,
It's not that deep.
we'll be back. I'll be standing here, jumping over.
He lives!
All right, day 2. We're headed to.
Here we are, guys.
We're headed to the
We're doing the damn
stadiums right
thing,
now.
dude.
What stadium we going to? Is that?
We're going to Scottsdale Johnson. Oh, hey, buddy.
She is a terror, I can tell. Come here, girl.
We're leaving, don't worry. We're out of here. We're back with baby bloggers. Javi, how you doing? He's in his little pouch. He's ready to go.
He's ready for the game.
How you doing, Javi? Got any works? What are we gonna do today? Think we're gonna see a Giants game?
His first.
It's first Giants game?
Caesar Miller. They don't have it. You got Bud Light and you got Michelob. He doesn't have it. Caesar Miller.
I like something like different, like right over here.
All right, day 3. It is completely raining out here. And we're headed off to some breakfast. We're gonna hit up the Hash Kitchen. Let's see if I can get in this way. Oh yeah, I'm coming through. Coming through. It is just completely raining. We got the whole crew at the bar though. Here we go.
Hell to the fucking yeah. Let's go.
Oh, we gotta sing. Well, even says happy birthday. That's so cool. Aw, that's so awesome. Yeah. And I got you a little card as well.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jose. Happy birthday to you.
Get back to swinging.
What do you think, Javi? What do you think, Javi? You're gonna watch CJ plunge to his death. Not his death, but definitely a broken tailbone. To the ER. Oh, is that funny?
Jose said, before you die, can you grab me another beer?
Jose.
Anxiety is kicking in. I'm fucking snapping.
Oh my god, he really did grab him a beer.